Hi everybody. Today I just got my package from American Button Machines. It's a 1-inch button maker, so I thought I would do a little unboxing, first impressions, trying it out, that kind of thing. I got 500 supplies. Enough supplies to make 500 buttons. A bunch of instructions and boring things that I have to read. And it came with some samples of magnets and other backings you can use. I probably won't use that, but it's cool. So I had to get this version of the cutter because the cheapest one was out of stock. So this is the medium priced one. Hopefully this will work well for me. And then we have the machine itself. Ugh, guys, heavy. It's also sticky because it has the grease on it. So there's that guy. Pretty excited to try it out. It was kind of expensive. I'll put the price for the pack that I got here, but I think it's gonna last a really long time and be a really good investment. I'm very excited to start using it. I already have some ideas, so I will jump to me trying it out next. Hello, so it is now later and I've had a chance to play with my button maker a little bit. Some good things and bad things have happened. First of all, I got a package thing that comes with all the stuff you need, and so it included this circle punch so you can cut out perfect circles. My dumbass didn't even realize that I don't actually need a paper cutter because I own a Cricut machine. I don't know how I didn't think of that. I literally thought of that as I was opening the package. I tried this out a little bit, and I mean, it works fine. It's high quality, it's good if you don't have anything else to cut out your stuff, but it takes a really long time and I don't have the patience for that. That's the one thing that I'm not super stoked about. The machine itself is awesome. It's really high quality, it's really heavy and sturdy, so I am very happy with that. So I was able to make a couple of buttons and had them turn out great. We'll probably get those in my Etsy shortly. I have a bunch of other ones cut out, ready to go to make buttons, which leads me to, I jammed the machine already. I jammed it twice, and once I fixed it and I could just keep going, and then I realized that I actually got one of these little backing things stuck, not in this part where all the videos tell you how to get it out, but in this part, so it's just really in there, and yeah, I don't want to talk about it. Hopefully they will let me return this circle punch thing because I am probably never going to use it. I think I would rather just use the scissors to cut things out, honestly. I'll probably just use my Cricut because it was so much faster. Those are kind of my first impressions. Other than that, you can check out my shop. I'll have some new buttons up. I'll see you guys next time. Maybe I'll make videos. I don't know. It's a surprise. One like equals one pet. Like this video.